Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Indonesia together. This is Tolu Batak from the Toba Lake. The varieties are Sigara Rutang, Bourbon and Razuna, and the fermentation is a wet hulled process. For more details on this coffee, please visit our webpage.
To get the best of Tolu Batak into your cup, we recommend this recipe. You need 300 grams of third wave water at 94 degrees Celsius in the kettle. Prepare 22 grams of coffee and grind it on click 24 of your Comandante. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms your V60. Now add the ground coffee and shake the filter for an even extraction. First pour. 60 grams of water over 7 seconds. Rather fast circular pouring for the blooming phase to get all the coffee wet and to let the CO2 from the roast process escape. After 20 seconds, the second pour, 100 grams over 15 seconds in soft circular pouring to release all the fruity and sweet flavors of Tolu Batak. After 1 minute, the third and last pour of 140 grams over 15 seconds in vivid yo-yo pouring for a rich and balanced body. Swirl the brew at 1 minute and 20 seconds for an even extraction. The total brew time is 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Enjoy the flavor of butterscotch, malt, grapefruit and herbal notes with a hint of tobacco.